Identify your operating system by clicking on the Apple icon in the top left of your desktop. Select About this Mac. Make note of the operating system version. Ensure that you have either a USB or USB-C port on your laptop. Download the display drive for the Flex delivery equipment by visiting the StarTech website. Then enter this product ID and click Search. Choose the correct driver for your system. Double-click the file to unzip it. Open the unzipped folder and select the subfolder that matches your operating system. Open the install file, which will have an extension of .dmg or .pkg, and go through the install process. Restart your computer. If your operating system is Big Sur, you may need to unlock the Display Link Manager app. To do this, select the Apple menu, then System Preferences. Select Security and Privacy. On the Privacy tab, select Screen Recordings in the left menu. The Display Link Manager app will be grayed out. Click the lock icon at the bottom left corner of the window to make changes, and then enable the Display Link Manager. Turn on the monitors around the room by using the touchpad. Select Distance Learning. Then Skype from Lectern Laptop. Disregard the message which appears and select Close Message. Connect either the USB or USB-C cable to your laptop. If you have both ports, select the USB-C connector. If your system does not recognize your laptop, you may need to manually enable the Display Link Manager app. To do this, use the Finder tool and search for Display Link Manager app. Then run the application and look for the icon displayed at the top of your screen. Once the system recognizes your laptop, select Laptop HDMI on the touchpad, if needed, to ensure that the podium monitor is enabled. You may need to configure your displays. To do this, select the Apple menu, System Preferences, then Displays. Then select the Arrangement tab and ensure Mirror Displays is deselected. Identify which screen each rectangle corresponds to by clicking a rectangle and checking to see which screen has a red outline showing up on it. Make note of which rectangle represents the laptop, podium monitor, and the screens at the front. Drag the rectangle representing the laptop screen onto the rectangle representing the podium monitor by pressing and holding the Option key while dragging. Then select Laptop HDMI EX on the touchpad so that the podium monitor becomes an extension of your laptop. Note, you can drag and drop the rectangles in the display settings, which each represent the physical monitors that you are working with to reflect the real-life positions of your screens. The touchpad can be used to customize your displays and utilize the two cameras within the room. Pressing the rectangle buttons at the bottom of the screen will share what is being displayed on the podium monitor onto the specified screen at the front of the room. The current source is noted below each rectangle button. There are two cameras in the classroom, one at the front of the room and one at the back. Choose which camera to use by selecting Cam Front or Cam Back. At this point, the podium monitor, also referred to as the confidence monitor, which should be an extended screen, mirrors one of the display screens at the front of the room. Your laptop should mirror the other display screen at the front of the room. Once you have set your displays, enable your system audio. To do this, navigate to the Apple menu, System Preferences, then select Sound and choose USB Audio. Open your synchronous platform. If you are using Teams, select the settings by navigating to the More Options icon at the top right-hand corner of your Teams application. Select the setting options, then Devices. Choose the USB audio for the speaker setting and Extron Media Port 200 for the microphone and camera settings. If you are using Zoom, once you begin your meeting, locate the audio icon on the toolbar and select Extron Media Port 200 for the microphone and USB audio for the speaker. Then locate the video icon on the toolbar and select Extron Media Port 200. Start your meeting on your chosen synchronous platform as usual if you have not already done so. Drag your Teams or Zoom application to the desired screen. We recommend you shut off notifications for email and other applications so that private messages are not displayed as you teach. Note: if you are using PowerPoint, you may need to change the following setting to ensure it works with the way the displays have been arranged. Use the joystick to control the cameras in the room. Select 1 to control the camera at the front of the room, or 2 to control the camera at the back of the room. Then use the joystick to pan left, right, or up and down. Turn the knob on the stick to zoom in and out. There are also camera placement preset buttons that you might find helpful. End the synchronous meeting as you usually would. Unplug the cable from your laptop. Turn off the podium system by selecting Shutdown on the touchpad. Then select Shutdown again on the next screen to confirm.